In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Teleparty to Chrome. Teleparty, formerly known as Netflix Party, is a simple Chrome extension that lets you watch movies and shows online with friends. It syncs playback so everyone sees the same moment at the same time, and it adds a group chat on the side so you can react together without missing a beat. Here's how to get it set up quickly and correctly. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. This guide is designed for the Chrome browser specifically, so make sure you're not using another browser. With Chrome open, head to the Chrome Web Store. You can get there by searching for it or by typing it into your address bar. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top to find the extension. Click the search field, type Teleparty, and press Enter. In the results, look for the listing titled Teleparty, Watch Parties for Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and more. This is the official extension that works across several major streaming services. Opening the extension page will show you details, screenshots, and reviews, which is a good way to confirm you're on the right one. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will download and install Teleparty automatically. You don't need to do anything else here. Just give it a moment to finish. After installation, the extension lives in your Extensions menu, which is the little puzzle piece icon near the top right of the browser. To keep Teleparty handy, pin it to your toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon, find Teleparty in the list, and click the pin icon next to it. You'll now see the Teleparty TP logo appear in your toolbar, making it quick to access whenever you're ready to watch with friends. With Teleparty installed and pinned, you're set. The extension's core features include synchronized playback that keeps everyone in lockstep, a group chat sidebar for real-time reactions, and support for multiple streaming services so you're not limited to a single platform. Teleparty is free to install and use, and there are optional premium features if you want to enhance your experience further. That's it. Teleparty is now added to Chrome and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next watch party with perfectly synced streams and a lively chat alongside your favorite shows and movies.